Hi. So here's how you can manage a form with an empty file upload element in your form. I mean that if the user doesn't provide any file in here, you risk for the workflow to work. So for now, what you can do is to click your form, add a workflow, and for example, on submit, you would have something like file upload first in your workflow, and then you would have, for example, an API request. Okay, so this action will fail if the user doesn't provide any file. So what you can do in here is to add a pass-through condition. So you go to the pass-through condition and you add a formula like this, if, and you go find your file value here. So if there is something, there is a value in your file upload element, then you return true, otherwise return false. Okay. So let's copy this. So this workflow will be triggered, or this workflow will go on to these two actions if this formula is true. So then what you can do is to do another workflow here. And in that one, on submit, you need to redo the actions after the file upload there. So you need to do your API request in here without the file upload. So you need to do it twice. So for now, you need to do two workflows until we do the multi-branching. So last thing to do in here is to add a pass-through condition and just to do the opposite in here. So to summarize, if there is nothing in my file upload in here, this will be true, and so the workflow that will work in here will be the one without the file upload. If you add a file in here, this condition will be true, and then it will trigger the workflow with the file upload.